Hey guys, welcome back to Aaron's Marble Works. You want to go from this to this? Well, stick around and I'll show you how. So first off, I ordered these windowsill trims from allmoparparts.com, and I'll leave the link in the description below. These windowsill trims cost me $429, which was a little bit on the pricey side, but let me tell you what, it sure changed the look of this truck, and those black warped rubbery ones were garbage. Why would Ram ever put those crappy things on these nice trucks? Anyway, stick around and I'll show you how I changed them out. So the first thing I did was roll down the windows, obviously. And then I just undid this screw on the door right here, which was pretty easy to do. Just a Phillips screwdriver. Then I had to pry this thing up and out of there. And don't remove the mirror. I saw a video where a guy said you had to remove the mirror. You don't have to do that. The thing just slides right underneath it. So just kind of pry up on it and get that old garbage crap one out of there. Then I wiped it down with a rag before I installed the new one. These things sure were nice. I just lined it up with the old one to make sure I was installing the correct one for the right side. Just slipped it underneath that mirror. Pressed it down into place. Made sure it was sitting in there firmly. It kind of snaps into place. Then you just put that little Phillips screw right back in there. Nice and easy like. Look at that. Wow, what a difference. Holy cow. Now on to the back one. Now this screw, it's going to be right up here in the front of the door, closer to the front of the truck. There's like a little hole and you can see in there. Just take that screw out. Again, it's a Phillips screw, small little screw, and try not to drop it like I did. Right about there. Just pry that rubbery, crappy thing up and out of there. I'm just using a flathead screwdriver to pry it up out of there. Again, line it up, make sure you're using the right one. Pretty easy to do. Wipe it down. Take that new one and just kind of line it up with the front one. Push it down into place. It's pretty easy. Put that screw back in. There you go. Quite an improvement. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Here's a little close-up look at that screw I just wanted you guys to see. That's for the rear door. Roll the windows up just to make sure there's no restrictions or anything, which there shouldn't be. And then admire the difference that made. Holy cow, guys. This thing looks so much better. And these are actually metal, so they will not warp like those black rubber ones did. My truck is absolutely filthy. But now I can't wait to wash it up. It'll look so much better. Well, there you have it, guys. I'm gonna leave a couple pictures at the end of this video so that you can see the exact website that I got these from, so that you know you're definitely on the right website. And I'll also leave a link in the description below as to where I purchased them. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like and subscribe.